at just how easy this is to set up and use. So this is the main settings page for the Cover Store Content plugin. And everything you do on this page, you only have to do once. The first thing you do is you put in your keywords here, and you can enter as many keywords as you like here. I have just a few in here to auto-block from, but you can put in as many as you like. You can even do keyword phrases. You can put them in quotes for exact matches and so on. So you put in your keywords here, then you select your post creation settings here. For example, when adding a new post and product, whether you want the status to be published immediately or saved as a draft. You can save it as a draft if you, for example, want to edit stuff in the post before they go live, or you can just have them published immediately. The plugin will automatically create tags for your post based on the product title, and you can enter words to ignore from the title when creating tags. They will even import comments from Amazon, randomize the number of comments pulled in, and you can choose whether you want the images stored in your server or just hot link from Amazon or one of the other networks. Then you can put in social sharing details, Facebook and Twitter. I've blanked these out now because obviously I don't want to share them with the world, but I have put them in here. And what this does is it will let the plugin automatically post to Facebook and Twitter whenever it adds a new product, bringing you in traffic and sales on autopilot. And don't worry if this looks a little bit confusing to you. We have full video tutorials showing you how to get these details, put them in here in order to make it work. And it is really, really, really simple. And then you add in your affiliate IDs for the 3 networks, and this is exactly the same as you would do for the theme itself. And we also have videos showing you how to do that. But when you set this up, and remember you only have to do this once, then you're ready to go in and set up some campaigns. And let's start with setting up an Amazon feed or campaign. As you can see, I have one set up already, but I've set it to not being active for auto-blotting. But let's set up a new one. So I click on the Add New Feed button here, and I can give it a name, and this is only for my own use. So I'll name it after the keyword I'm going to use. I'm going to use Vitamix, which is a blender brand. So that is the keyword I select, and these are the keywords I entered on the main settings page. So I select to use this keyword. Then I can select whether I want to search all Amazon products or just in a single category. And since Vitamix is a keyword that will not bring in other products than actually Vitamix blenders, I'm quite happy to have it at all. But other than that, I might put it to home and garden or appliances. Then you can restrict the search to a price range. I could, for example, say I don't want anything that's costs less than $100, and I don't want anything that costs more than $500, for example. You have full control to set a price range you want here. And here's a really clever bit. You can set it to post to a category that matches the keyword, in this case Vitamix. So it will automatically post to the Vitamix category, and if that doesn't exist, that category, it will automatically create it. Or you can pick which categories to post in at random, or pick any number of categories to post it in. I'm quite happy with the one that matches the keyword. And then all you have to do is check the box to set it to start auto-blogging, and then set in a number, create between 1 and, I think I want to create between 1 and 2 posts every 24 hours. But you can obviously do as many as you want and just set the hours to whatever you want. And then here's the really clever bit. You check this box to have it auto-post to the social networks, and then you can write a custom message here, which I'm going to do as check out this cool product. And then I click on create feed, and it's just saving the stuff now. And here you can see this is now running. The Vitamix keyword campaign is running, is active, and creating between 1 and 2 posts every 24 hours. So if we go back to the settings page here, we can try to run this one now to see what comes in. But first, let me just head back to the page here. So these are the first 2 products up here, these two food processors here. So just to show you that this works, I'm going to click the Run Now button just to pull in something Vitamix. So if we go in here and refresh this page, and after refreshing, we can see that the CoverStore content plugin has now auto-blocked this Vitamix product here. As you know, we set it to pull in between 1 and 2 products for this keyword every 24 hours, and we just ran it and it pulled in 1 here. Even more important, we set it to auto-post to Facebook and Twitter. And if you check here, this is the text I put in when we set out the campaign. Check out this cool product. You could write anything you want here, but it posted on my Facebook wall the image for the post, the link back to your affiliate store with it, and the description here. And as you can see, I already got someone else liking this product and helped me spread it, getting traffic and sales to my store. And this is now set up and running. I could go ahead and set this one active, and I can add as many campaigns here for as many keywords as I want, pulling in products all the time for all keywords. I could put in more for every 24 hours, for every 1 hour, whatever I wanted to do. So that's how to set up the auto-blogging campaigns. It works just the same for Commission Junction and eBay. But I also want to show you the Import Now function, which we have up here. So for this one, I'm going to use this campaign here and this keyword. And this works pretty much like auto-blogging, except this is used to just pull in a bunch of posts at once. But you have the same settings in here, and for example, for the categories, I want the categories to match the keyword. You can use the default tag generation that you set up in the main settings, or you can override them by entering a comma-separated list of tags just for this import. But I'm fine with the default settings. And then finally, you can set it to auto-post to Facebook and Twitter as well by checking the box, but it has to be published live to use that, but for this one I'm going to import to draft. So what you can do here, I'm going to import 2 posts and set the status to draft, just to show you how easy that is to do. So I click do import, and as you can see, it says that 2 posts have been imported. So if I go into my posts, you'll see that I have 2 drafts in here from the import I just did, and I can now go in and edit these in any way, shape or form I want, or I can just set them to live. And I could obviously also use the import function just to import a bunch of posts to go live immediately. So there you have it. This is the CoverStore content in action. This is how easy it is to set up unlimited campaigns for unlimited keywords, filling your affiliate stores with quality products on autopilot, and at the same time auto-posting your products to Facebook and Twitter to generate autopilot traffic and sales for your affiliate store. You're probably now thinking, what's the CoverStore content plugin going to cost me? Much less than you think. But first, let's recap what's included. You get the Amazon module, the Commission Junction module, the eBay module, the Facebook and Twitter integration for autopilot traffic and sales, and many more modules to come with free lifetime updates. There are other auto-blogging plugins out there, but they're expensive, they're hard to use, and they pull in content and products you would not be caught dead posting yourself. And they're not designed to work with a CoverStore builder theme. On the other hand, CoverStore content is super easy to use, posts quality, high converting products from trusted networks, eliminates any risk of duplicate content, and it's specifically designed to work with the CoverStore builder theme. It works right out of the box, and your post will look great without any need to fiddle with templates, CSS, and other technobabble. Obviously, we could charge big bucks for a plugin like this, and as I said, it will be released as a recurring monthly product later on. But right now, you can completely bypass any future costs and still get all future modules and updates for free. Today, from this page only, you can get your hands on the brand new CoverStore content plugin at the special low early bird price. And for the next few people who order, we will even include multi-site and site flipping license at no extra cost. That means you can use the plugin on as many of your own blogs as you like, include the plugins on site you flip or on site you build for clients. This is perfect for building hundreds, even thousands of autopilot affiliate stores. Remember, the price below is a one-time offer, so click the button below to secure your copy right now.